US dollar continues to slide. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The euro has rallied rather significantly to test the 1.09 level, but it also struggles to stay above there. So it'll be interesting to see if we can break above this swing high here at 1.0940 or so. Because if we do, that would obviously be a very bullish sign and could send the euro even higher. Remember, most of this comes down to bond yields in Germany taking off to the upside, which of course helps with the interest rate differential situation that had favored the United States for so long. We are getting overdone, but markets can get a lot more overdone, quite frankly. So you don't really want to start shorting this pair on some type of reversion to the mean trade until you see signs of exhaustion, which, although we've seen some wicks, we haven't seen a pullback. The US dollar has initially fallen against the Japanese yen, but it is turning around to show signs of life after a massive plunge. If we break down below the lows of the last couple of days, then I think we go look into the 145 yen level. I would still assume there's a good shot that we at least attempt that, but in the short term, it looks like we could bounce. Plus, we have to keep in mind that the interest rate differential still favors the US dollar, despite the fact that we've seen rates drop in America and, of course, rise in Japan. The Australian dollar has gone back and forth to show signs of confusion, and I think the Aussie dollar tells you everything you need to know right now, just by the fact that it cannot seem to strengthen while everything else is beating up on the dollar. So with that being said, the 50-day EMA is right around the middle of the consolidation area that we've been in between 0.62 on the bottom and 0.64 on the top. And I do believe that this 50-day EMA is acting like a little bit of a magnet for price. So I expect to go back and forth here, but I really don't expect to get any real traction out of the Aussie anytime soon.